Hello and welcome to today's webinar on inbox collaboration. I'm Julia from Mailbutler and I'll be walking you through today's session. And I'm joined by my colleague Irina, who's here to assist me. So for those of you who are new to Mailbutler, let me just give you a quick overview of what Mailbutler is and what it does. So Mailbutler is an email extension for Outlook, Apple Mail and Gmail designed to make your inbox smarter. And Mailbutler offers 4 independent solutions which are developed to meet your dynamic email needs: email tracking, tailored sending, inbox collaboration, and signature marketing. And in today's session, we're focusing on inbox collaboration. And I'm excited to show you how you can revolutionize the way your team collaborates in a shared inbox. So if your team shares an inbox, meaning multiple people access the same email account, I'm sure that you're familiar with the struggles that come with managing it. So the reason why many companies share inboxes is to centralize their communication and have multiple team members access the company's email communication, which allows for flexibility. But the problem is that email inboxes are simply not designed for sharing. They're built for individual use and do not really offer any real-time collaboration features. And the more team members work in a shared inbox, the more confusing and less productive everything becomes. So when several team members work on the same emails, this inevitably creates collision, as it's never clear who's responsible for which email. So you're basically left wondering if someone else is maybe already taking care of the email you're about to reply to. And to overcome all this chaos, you try to come up with some workarounds to better work together in a shared inbox. But these workarounds are not ideal because, as said, email inboxes are simply not designed for teamwork. So today, I'm presenting a game-changing solution for all of these challenges: Mailbutler's inbox collaboration. So let's dive into the key features that will transform your team's workflow. So I'm now going to share my screen and show you inbox collaboration live. So you should be seeing my screen now, and I'm in Outlook. As you can see, I have Mailbutler installed. Here's the Mailbutler sidebar in Outlook. And I start by showing you one of the most powerful aspects of Mailbutler's inbox collaboration, which is the ability to assign emails. By assigning an email to the right person, you're essentially eliminating the question, who's going to take care of this? So everyone can see exactly who's responsible for which email, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks or gets duplicated. So to assign an email, I'll just go to the Mailbutler sidebar right here. I click the Assign button, which is located here, and then I assign an email to one of my collaborators. I'm going to assign this email to my collaborator, Irina. So the ability to assign emails is just the beginning. Another standout feature of Mailbutler's inbox collaboration is live status indicators. So imagine this: basically, as you or teammate is viewing an email or replying to it, everyone else in the team can see that in real time. So basically, no more wondering if someone else is already handling a response. You never have to worry about sending duplicate emails or accidentally stepping on someone else's toes. So Irina, could you please view this email here from Magdalena? So Irina will view this email in a moment. And then, yeah, as you can see, Irina is viewing it now. And we can see a live status right here in the pulsating green dot. And that's basically indicating that Irina is viewing this email right now at this moment. So now Irina started even replying, so you can see this has changed. And you would also see it if Irina was adding a note to this email or if she was adding a task. So it would in the same place, it would say Irina is adding a note or Irina is adding a task. Yeah. So yeah, let's just go back to the Mailbutler sidebar. Yeah. So yeah. Now, another benefit that Mailbutler offers are real-time updates. With these updates, you always know when an email is assigned to you or when a colleague has marked an email that you assigned to them as done. And you will see these updates as desktop notifications. And you'll also see these updates under the Activity tab. So here's the Activity tab. And I have a filter set in the Activity tab to only get activities about assigned emails, as you can see here. And here are all the activities I got. So yeah, with these features I just presented, basically you're making sure that really everyone in the team is on the same page, which means faster and more efficient teamwork. Now we'll explore what else Mailbutler's inbox collaboration solution has to offer you, so that you and your team can basically stay organized. So emails often come with a lot of context, details that can get lost if you don't document them properly. And that's where Mailbutler's shared notes come in. So we go back here to the current tab, and basically you and your team can add internal notes directly on emails and share them with each other. And that allows everyone to see important context without having to leave the shared inbox. So yeah, this email here I have opened is an email from Magdalena asking about the collaboration with Mailbutler. And now I want to add a note. So I click this button here. This is the notes button. And I'll just add a note that I've prepared. I'm just going to copy it. So check Magdalena's or Magda's website. Offer sounds promising. And I can now just add this note. This is then going to be a private note, which just I myself am seeing. Or I have the option to also share this note. If I go back into the note, there's the share with button, which I can click, and then I can share this note with either all of my collaborators or just one person. So I'm going to share this note with Alaska. Just by clicking share, this note is now shared with Alaska. And basically leaving notes and sharing them means no more forwarding emails or jumping between tools to capture details. It's all right there in your inbox in the Mailbutler sidebar. Apart from adding notes to your emails, you can also add tasks to your emails and share them. So Mailbutler basically turns your emails into actionable items, whether it's adding a task to schedule a follow-up with a prospect, or a task to remember to send a proposal, or a to-do for preparing some documents. You can create and assign tasks right inside your inbox, just like with notes. So I'm going to add a task to this email as well to show you. So this here is the tasks button. And then I click it and I just copy the task I prepared again. Reply to Magda and schedule a call for tomorrow. Now we can set a reminder for this task. And again, I can either leave it private or I can share it with a collaborator. Again, I'm going to share this with Alaska. So, right, another great feature that's part of Mailbutler's inbox collaboration is color-coded tags. So tags basically save you time by helping you categorize and prioritize emails based on, for example, urgency or department or project. And to add a task to this email, I click this button right here at tag. And then I can either just write a tag or select one of the preset tags that I have. I'm going to add the tag important. So this email is basically now tagged, and tags, yeah, make it simple for you and your team to find basically important messages quickly and stay focused on what matters most. So to recap, Mailbutler's inbox collaboration is basically the ultimate solution to the chaos of managing a shared inbox. So it turns your shared inbox into a collaboration hub where emails are assigned, tasks are tracked, notes are shared, and workflows stay organized. And this isn't just about getting more emails done, it's about getting them done together, efficiently, and without confusion. But don't just take our word for it, try it yourself and see how it works for your team.